It's Saturday. It's 1 p.m. I just got off of work for the Saturday Learning Academy thing, and I'm gonna start the weekend. So today is Saturday. I just finished work. I had my Saturday Learning Academy thing. I got off at, well, I'm supposed to get off at 1 p.m., but I was let go early because there was nothing to do like last time. So right now, we're gonna go get a car wash at the wash tub here on Marbeck Road in San Antonio. So the line is ridiculous. There's no way I'm gonna wait. That's like a good 2 hours, which is a shame because I need my car washed. And this is the only good place that does it. Since that plan failed, we're gonna do what we were gonna do after the car wash, which is get Brenda some food. So here we are, right away at Chick-fil-A, and there's like no line, which is amazing for a Saturday lunchtime. Oh, I lied. There's like 5 cars, but compared to like a 30-minute wait, this isn't bad at all. So I just ordered our food. Brenda got the regular grilled chicken club. I got nuggets because I'm gonna make my own burger at home. A healthier one, and it's gonna be cheaper. But I could not understand what she was saying. She was very nice, but like I couldn't really understand her. So hopefully they got my order good. Yeah. Today we have nothing really planned because I did work. Normally when I work we don't plan stuff to do, but I do have that dresser to build, and we're gonna do that. And I'll probably split this video with tomorrow, which we're gonna try and take Estella to SeaWorld. Because we have a free year pass that we got from work and we haven't used it once. The only bad thing about it is that we have to pay for parking every time, which is a $30 general parking each time you go. So it kind of sucks. So we're like choosing what days we go. Tomorrow is supposed to be like in the 90s, so it's kind of hot, but we have nothing planned for tomorrow, so I think it'd be a perfect day to take her. They do have some like swimming stuff and like water things to do, so we might take her in a swimsuit and like try and go on there. So yeah, but today I'm gonna get home and we're gonna eat some food. We do also need to go to Target, Home Depot, and somewhere else. I forgot what she told me, but yeah, it's like a shopping day and building furniture kind of day. There are also some UFC fights tonight that I'm gonna watch, so should be a fun day. Tomorrow should be fun as well at SeaWorld. What the hell, dude? There's like a house on fire. That's freaking crazy. Dang, that's something you don't see often. It's pretty sick. It's like right across from my house. Sweet, we just got home. Time to get the food. Got some Chick-fil-A, some drinks, and I need to go cook my meat. Wow, so pretty. What? Excuse you? Who do you think you could talk to like that? So I completely destroyed our lunch. I did not even vlog it. I did make myself a double burger. It was very good, but now we are on our way to Target. Hey, what's up, Dad? Okay. God dang. So I have a pretty bad lawn right now. Summer's just starting, or spring or whatever, and I have a whole bunch of weeds that I need to kill and get my grass growing again because it's time to turn the sprinkles back on. So I need to get these seeds that are like 50 bucks. It's very expensive. Yeah, I'm hoping to revive my grass because right now it's all dead from the winter, so I'm gonna pick this up and try applying it myself. Ugh, that's gross. These are typical, yeah.
I like that one.
The sandstone?
Either one. One's like brown, one's white.
The reason we're looking at stone is because we're trying to build or planning to build a fireplace in our living room that I will be building. So we just build the frame and put the tile and insert one of those electric fireplaces. All right, Stelly, we're at your favorite store ever. Le Target.
looks nicer on me?
I think the right one.
This is your right?
Oh yeah, your left, my right.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Why are these this short? Look at the vag is right here. Why is these the shortest shorts I've ever seen? Like, don't they know a baby's coming out of here? The heck?
These are for pregnant.
Yeah. It has the belly band.
Even the shorts.
That's why they're like more expensive.
Huh.
Jacob.
Ruby, say hi to the vlog.
Hold on, I'm going.
Oh, it's Jacob. Say hi to the vlog, Jacob.
It makes music and stuff. It doesn't have batteries though.
We'll get one with batteries. Oh no, fixed it.
I'm a lean, green recycling machine. Let's go.
So we need to do an update. So we're done with Target. We are getting drinks at Starbucks because we always do. And we were gonna go grocery shopping, but Miss Estella Grace is looking cute now, but she was being mean a few minutes ago. So we're gonna go home and go grocery shopping tomorrow. What do you prefer I do today? The dresser or work in the yard?
How about both?
So we're gonna build a dresser and work in the backyard. Hi, I'm picking up a mobile order for Michael.
Yeah, let me just make sure we have that. Alright, looks like we do. Go ahead and pull forward.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only one little duck came back. One.
Alright guys, and first things first, before I get jacked by these mosquitoes, we're gonna put on some repellent. So I also got the fights going on. I'm not even gonna be in the garage. I'm actually gonna be working in the backyard, but I'll still have it on because I have solar, so who cares? Use all the energy I want. And here is our stuff. Here's the weed and feed that we need to use. Here's a little shovel I bought. And I hope it's here. Oh yeah, the sprinkle head I need to fix. Once again, guys, I still need to do a house tour. I keep saying I'm gonna do it and I never do it. But this is the side of my house, which is gonna take me to my yard. And you guys could see the hot mess of weeds that I've been growing back here. Look at this nastiness. And here is actually where my issue is. As you can see here, this is a sprinkler. It was one of these. Or I don't know if it was the same one, but it's a sprinkler that I ran over with my lawnmower before fall last year, and completely broke it in a million pieces, and I never fixed it. All I did was turn off my sprinklers and save my problem for a future Kevin to fix. And just like that, guys, after a little bit of digging, we got the old one out. It completely got obliterated by the lawnmower, and I'm not sure if this was the original. I know the brand was Rainbird or whatever it is, but I'm gonna put this one. This is what I found at Lowe's. I mean, they look kind of the same size besides the broken part. But yeah, now you gotta put this one back and put all the dirt, well, it was mainly rocks, back in, and then we should be good to go. So one final thing I did was I actually turned on the sprinkler. I know the light is right on it, but I did clear out the sprinkler from all the dust that fell in when I was digging it out. Because otherwise, if I put the new sprinkler on, it's gonna clog the heads, and I'll be at the same problem pretty much. So I did turn it on so it could like shoot out all the trash and stuff that was built into it. But now we should be good to put it back on. All right, guys, as you can see, our job is complete. The sprinkle head is in. It's nice and tight. I did have to get all the old dirt and everything I could find back in here and like pass it really good and like stomp on it and stuff. So now it's like solid in here. I did leave it higher up than they had it before just so I could see it for next time and not destroy it again. But yeah, it looks really good. I'm gonna turn on the water right now and test it out, make sure that water doesn't come like oozing up, which means I didn't do it right. But I'm pretty sure it's all good. And look at that. We got a sprinkler working. So that's pretty awesome. There's one right next to it, so I'm trying not to get wet. But as you can see, our sprinkler is back up and working. It doesn't look like it's oozing real quick from the bottom, so that means I tightened it really well. And then all our sprinklers are working. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but really cool. Oh, one popped out of here. So we're all good. Good morning, everyone. So it's Sunday, 11:02 p.m. to be exact. We had a good morning. We had pancakes for breakfast and basically just been chilling. We haven't been doing anything. I was supposed to do a lot this morning, organize the dining room and stuff, because you remember from last week, the guy did fix my internet, so I had to take down all the decorations and stuff, and I still am too lazy to do it. But most importantly, we have the dresser that I've been delaying for like forever, so let's get to this. But other than that, it's gonna be an awesome day. Disneyland, what could go wrong with Disneyland, right? Except the rain, but yeah. So the one day we decided to come to Disneyland, rain is really expensive. And tomorrow at Disney Season is the only one. So it's just pretty funny how it works. So I got the box here. That was really heavy. It's like supposed to be for 2 people, but I did it alone. We have Miss Stella Grace this morning. She is watching my Japan vlog because she's been enjoying watching her dad on TV. She also enjoys watching herself on TV, so this is pretty fun for her. But in the meantime, she's probably gonna think she's helping me build this. So is Kalua. But yeah, let's get to it.
Children and eventually came out of retirement and chose to pursue charitable work for Murkoff at Solid. Guys to install his morphogenic engine in the back.
So it's about 5:11 p.m. right now. The day is kind of gone. We didn't end up going to SeaWorld like we wanted to. It got very late real quick today for some reason. Also, Estella took a really late nap, and when she woke up, she was in a very crabby mood and not really feeling it. So we decided it wasn't worth it to go, which is kind of a bummer because we were excited to go. We have a year pass and we haven't even gone or used it, so it kind of sucks. So as far as the rest of the day, I don't have anything planned that I was gonna vlog because, like I said, we were relying on going to SeaWorld for the remainder of our Sunday, but that didn't happen, so I don't really have anything else. Right now it is 95 degrees. It's very, very hot. It like skipped spring just straight into summer, so kind of sucks, but it is Texas, so it is what it is. So right now we came to a place called Marble Slab Creamery, which is some ice cream. Brenda is right now getting our stuff. I don't know what she's gonna get me. I don't know what flavors. I've never been to this exact store before, so I don't know what there is. But she's getting us some ice cream right now. We're just gonna eat that and then go home. I don't really think we have any other shopping to do for the rest of the day or any other plans. I might go home and do some more house stuff. Like, I barely did anything in the yard yesterday and I have a lot of work to do there, but I don't know like if I'll vlog it. It just seems kind of boring to me. But yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do for the rest of the day, like I said, so yeah, we'll see later.
I'm never coming ever again.
God. So here it is, Marble Slab Creamery. I was informed by Brenda that she got me a cheesecake coffee mix with a graham cracker crust and almonds.
Yep.
Very random, but I'm still gonna enjoy it. But you said we're never coming back here again?
No, it's $14.
Jesus. We decided to make a quick stop at our favorite shop. Ross. Hi, I'm picking up a mobile order for Michael.
Mobile order for Michael at the vehicle.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Well, the vehicle window.
Thank you.
How do you feel that you paid for one thing in your life?
How do I feel that I paid for one thing? Broke.
You feel so important that you paid for Starbucks this time?
Yeah, don't forget I paid yesterday too.
Oh, and how about the last 10 times?
Well, that comes from my check, so technically I paid for all of it.
Really? Did you? Interesting. Interesting how you divided your check and my check.
Yeah, but it's all mine, like at the end of the day.
Oh, that's interesting. Who would have known? Oh, she want to take her to school now.
And there we go. After all day of building this thing, well, it was more like 2 hours. And in between, Estella took a nap, so the dress is all good. So this dresser is a little bit small because it's meant for a child or a kid. Yeah, it's very, very short. Has 6 drawers. Pretty cheap. You know, it's just like a basic, got a little smudge on it. It's just a very basic dresser. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna be ending the video here. It was kind of a draining week/weekend, so the vlog is pretty much kind of boring, I guess. But yeah, I had a crazy week at work. It was very busy and very hectic, and there's a lot of changes going on at work, so it's kind of been draining me. But yeah, this weekend we didn't get to go to SeaWorld, so that would have been a big chunk of the vlog, which didn't happen. But you know, I just want to upload. It doesn't matter, you know, just whatever I do, I want to record it, upload it. It doesn't matter who watches. So if you guys are watching, thank you. Hit the like button. You know, if you're new, subscribe. Gonna be doing some more vlogs, hopefully start doing more cool stuff that summer's coming around. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, and thank you so much for watching.